Hello everyone. Welcome back and Happy Lunar New Year. 새해 복 많이 받아요. 가족이랑 여행 갔나요? 세배는 드렸나요? 오늘 우리가 같이 읽을 책은 Night Night, Dino-Snores. 이 그림을 보면 공룡, Dinosaurs인데 왜 Dino-Snores 이라고 써 있는지는 알겠죠? Let me give you a hint. It has to do with sleeping. So, shall we begin? Now the sun's rays sink low in the sky. Soon the bright stars will be shining up high. At last it is bedtime for all dinosaurs. The air will soon echo with loud dino snores. Tyrannosaurus Rex holds on tight to Mom. The sky blushes gold, the breeze quiet and calm. As they head home together, all safe and sound, there is a soft, gentle hush in the air all around. Good night, tiny T-Rex. Sleepy stegosauruses slow to a stop. This spot looks comfy, so down they flop. Together they gaze at the sparkling skies. They can rest here till the sun starts to rise. Good night, sleepy stegos. Triceratops snuggle. They are ready for bed. Mom plants a kiss on her little one's head. Among the soft leaves of the jungle they huddle. Bedtime is always the best time to cuddle. Good night, tired Triceratops. All day, Diplodocuses like to munch leaves. Now they are settled among the tall trees. The dinos are dozing, curled up on the ground. Dad whispers good night. It's calm all around. Good night, dozing Diplos. Velociraptors rest in the cooling night air. They think of the fun they have had everywhere. All through the day they've been bouncing about. When nightfall arrives, they are all tuckered out. Good night, resting raptors. High up in the trees with the world spread below. The leaves rustle gently, the sky all aglow. 3 tiny pterosaurs head to their beds. Under Mom's wing, they are all sleepy heads. Good night, tiny pteros. 2 brontosauruses had a long day. It won't be long now till Dad's snoozing away. Mom curls up cozy and warm in a ball. Soon you will hear Dad. He snores loudest of all. Good night, bedtime Brontos. 3 Spinosaurs snuggle. They are ready to sleep. Huddled together, a small happy heap. Down on the bank by the river they sprawl. In a line from the big right down to the small. Good night, snoozing Spinos. Elasmosaurus makes no noise, not even a peep. The slow, rocking ride gets him ready for sleep. Grandpa hums softly a lullaby tune as both of them bathe in the glow of the moon. Good night, sweet Elasmos. The dinos are sleeping, the day's work is done. A chorus of snoring at last has begun. High up above, the stars twinkle so bright. Good night, Dreaming dinos, we all say good night. The end. Now do you see why this book is titled Night Night Dino-Snores? 오늘 이 책에서 여러 가지의 공룡 친구들을 만났는데 친구들의 이름을 연습하고 우리 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕.